In this video, I'm going to show you how to join your virtual class meeting. My name is Trapper Hallam, and I am one of the district's instructional technology coordinators. Before we begin, I'd like you to know teachers can set their meetings links up a few different ways. We are going to take a look at some of the most common ways. The first and most common is a link published in Schoology. This can either be a literal link or an image that's clickable. Let's take a look at this. First, let's log into our ClassLink. Now that we're logged into ClassLink, go ahead and find the Schoology icon that has a big S. Click that and it will open up your Schoology webpage. From here, go ahead and find the course that you're looking for. We're going to use this one. We're going to click on that course and open it up. On this, the links can come in a few different forms. One of the ways that you can find it is quite literally a link somewhere found in your Schoology page. This may not be at the top, but most commonly will be. Another way that you can find that is like this image here. Notice how it says click here for class meeting. This can be done with different images in lots of different ways, but these are the two most common. Now, if your teacher has created a Teams for your class, instead of going to Schoology, they may post the link into Teams. So to go to that link, open up Teams, click on the Teams icon on the left side of Teams, find the class that you're going to go to. In this case, we're going to use this one, and then click it. From there may be different channels, and one of the channels will have your meeting link in it. In this case, it's pretty obvious as we're going to choose Meeting Channel. So when we choose that, we'll go into that new channel. And as you can see here, this is the meeting link. However, the link is provided to you. Find the link and click it. We're going to use this Teams one for now. When we click it, you'll have to find, it'll either launch you directly, or in this case, it'll give you a join button. If we do that from the meeting link over here in Schoology, it will open up a new dialog box. Now, you'll be prompted with a choice to always use this option. Now, be very careful with this. Once you set this, it's difficult to undo. This is important. You always want to join a Teams meeting using the app. This is the desktop app. This will provide you the best experience and the least amount of errors. You should not choose continue on the browser. This, in some cases, will have you enter as a guest. And as a guest, your teacher may deny you entry into the meeting. Other issues may occur, and if you are or do have issues joining a meeting, make sure that you are not joining via the browser and that instead you are always joining via the app on the desktop. Let's do that now. I'm going to go ahead and click open because it's asking me to open this in Teams. When the Teams meeting opens, you'll see this screen here. Before you join the meeting, Teams gives you the chance to change your settings so that you're ready to enter the meeting correctly. You can turn on and off your camera. You can also do that with your audio. Additionally, and the most important, you can set up your computer audio for the meeting. So if you choose this, it will open the device settings. Under device settings, you can choose which speakers to use and which microphones to use depending on what you have connected to your computer. If you have nothing connected to your computer, you will see something similar to what I have here. But as you notice, I have other choices. So the best choice and the least amount of errors is to choose the one that comes with the computer. If not, make sure that you choose the correct settings for your meeting, and then when you're ready, you can close this menu and you can choose to join now. Once you choose join now, in most cases you will enter the lobby. The lobby is set up to protect you and your teacher from other people entering the meeting that shouldn't be there. When your teacher's ready, they will either admit you one by one or all at once. At that point, your meeting will go live and everything should be ready to go. Well, that concludes this video. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.